Fire Champ Barbecues. Today we're doing up a ribeye steak, Kosmo style. Oh hell yeah. So we're gonna salt brine this ribeye, and we are at a 15-minute mark. I think we're gonna wipe it down and we're gonna hit it with the kosmosQ. Oh hell yeah! This is a combination of a few of his videos, and we're gonna try to sear this up and make it amazing. I'm gonna wipe off that salt, kosher salt. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. So we're gonna go in with some cow cover. Then, some Dirty Bird hot. And then a touch of Texas beef. Pat that in. Same on the other side. Here we go. Holy! We let this ribeye rest for 20 minutes. Oh yeah. Let's cut right into this guy and see what we got going on. The smell is amazing. Wow. Look at that. Oh. Freaking amazing. Damn. Look at that, boys. Alright, folks. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my. Rare ribeye. Okay. Hands down, best steak I've ever had. That's amazing. Some people would like it a little more done. Don't. Yeah. That rocks. Cowboy ribeye on the kettle. Oh, freaking amazing. kosmosQ rubs. Rocked it. Salt brined it. Came together very, very good. And, oh, the rest is going with eggs in the morning. Oh, hell yeah. So, subscribe to the Beer Champ Nation. Hit the thumbs up, comment down below, and smash that dinner bell. Because that's what time it is. Oh, hell yeah.